to me. Hey, be different, be nice.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another vlog for you guys. So tonight I am at Primo. It's my mother's birthday, so we're having a little dinner. I'm gonna like do overlays of that now. Bye. Good night everyone. So we're gathered here to celebrate my mother. So I just want to wish you a happy birthday. You've been with me forever because you know you made me. But I want to thank you for all the sacrifices that you've made for me. Obviously being in Barbados, you had to pay double for everything. Without your advice and always being there for me, I wouldn't have been and turned out to be the person I've been. I know that you've made sacrifices and I've seen that you have given up things for me and my siblings. They're not here tonight, but on behalf of them, I just want to say thank you. I thank you for everything that you have done. And happy birthday. I wish you many, 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 many more. What? Let me introduce one to one of my friends. Say hi. Thumbnail. Here, tell her your name. I don't think you got a hard because I'm more.
My name is Ryan.
When I can remember she from my last vlog with his shorts and. Alright, so this lighting is probably horrible. I can't even see myself. But your girl got another beach day. I wonder if one of them actually hear me. Hi guys, it's your girl Crystal, whatever you want to say. I am back with another vlog. Look at me.
What extra?
So pretty but extra.
Apostle Dr. David Jones.
Holy Spirit's living in me. I got my
So I am at a picnic thingy thing. So we are at the beach. I think it's in Bathsheba, but don't quote me on that. Hi guys, this is an Hi guys, this is an impromptu vlog, but let me go. You don't ever be in my vlog. Wait. Show me what I give you. It's a video from my YouTube. Wait. This for YouTube.
Stick the tongue in your hair.